What's going on, you guys? Last video, I was talking about my reverse camera, and I had taken the power off of the Rewire, which is a constant hot, always power. So when I did that, I put my key on run, and the camera worked just fine. But when I started my car and put it in reverse, my camera did not work. And what I believe is, I guess it needs two sources of power. I guess it wasn't given enough power not having this connected onto my head unit. So I did a little research, and the purple and the white, that is for your reverse. So I went ahead and cut into that, and I'm gonna see if that works for me with my car in just run and running as well. So far my reverse lights are not on with the head unit on, so that was the problem last time. And let's go ahead and pop it in reverse. And that is working. Now this is with my car not running. So I worked last time with the car not running, I guess because it wasn't requiring so much power. So now, next I'm going to do, I'm going to turn on my car. And I'm going to see if it will do the same thing while the car is running. See if I have enough power going there. When I was doing my little research, it said not to connect your backup camera to that wire. I had no idea why, but we're going to find out. Alright, you guys, back to it. So connecting to the purple and white wire, which is the reverse, was a no-go. So when I plugged it in and I started the car, it did not work. So I went ahead and ran it back to the original, which is to the red wire. Okay, and to show you guys that it does work, let me go ahead and go to the home, AVH, and there you go. So it's on while I have the car not running, and restart. And here we go for when the car is running. Pop it in reverse. There we go. Alright, and I'm going to show you guys some things that I had just learned messing with this. If you go to settings, go to system, and I believe it's picture adjustment. You guys can go to picture adjustment and hit rear view, and it gives you all the little options to do what you got to do for your color for your rear camera. And I think you can go to camera settings, parking assist, adjust. Sorry, I got my light on. You can mess with it like that. Do what you guys got to do to make it a little better for you. If you guys do have the parking assist on, and pop out the parking assist, go back, put it in reverse, and you got everything set up for you. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on another video.